welcome back to my channel. Today I have two Amazon luxury beauty boxes. So you can order these on Amazon. So the first box I have, it says Luxury Beauty. It says, hello gorgeous, visit Amazon.com Luxe Box to learn more about full-size versions of products included in your box. Enjoy. So here's what it shows you, and then it has little flowers on the paper packaging. So let's dig in. All of the products looks like that. So it's all sample size. I have vanilla blackberry, Computeur Sud Pacific Paris perfume. Smells good. You can smell the blackberry. It has jasmine, more vanilla, vanilla, and lemon. So it smells like pretty good. What is this for? Men or women? I don't know, but it smells good, so I'm guessing women. So this is what it looks like. Thought that was nice. I love getting perfume samples. Next I have Lauric Paris serum in a pouch. So that's what is next in my box. So I love serum. I use it every day. I got this La Roche-Posay, something like that. I probably butchered it. This is a double repair moisturizer, UV. So this has water in it, like a lotiony water. And I got samples before with this brand in my influencer box, so this is really good stuff. I got another perfume sample. This is a spray, Calvin Klein. I don't know what it's called. This is what it's called, by Calvin Klein. This one's a spray. It's like that. So cool. I got two. Next I have Mario Bed something skincare moisturizer with vitamin E. It's a sunscreen for types DS. So here is this moisturizer. Next I have Prep and Glow. Cleanse, exfoliates, hydrates. And what is this? I guess it's a cloth for your face. Oh wow. Texture cleansing cloth. It's the ideal prep for your 5-minute facial lift. Ooh. So I don't know what this one says, the name brand. But then here's the full set of this. So that's nice. I like that. Next we have age defying anti-blemish brightening serum. And this is actually cute. I think it comes with a little dropper. Super cute packaging for this. This is this. So it's supposed to do for aging 65, reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, acne 94%, reduction in acne, hypertension 57, pigmentation. So this is great to try, and it comes with this little dropper. And there's a lot of, it's full, so you get like quite a few uses out of this one. So that's nice to try. And with these are quite a bit full too. This one you just put on. It's like in a bottle like this. There's quite a few in here. And the Calvin Klein, it's this full. So these are really pretty full. Usually you get like half of the tiny samples. So they're pretty good. Next I have exfoliating gel. Removes dead skin cells and unplugged pores with papaya eczema something for all skin. So this is what it looks like. So these have like pretty good skincare. Next I have Vichy Laboratories Mineral 89 Skin Exfoliating Daily Booster, moisturizing water and something acid. So this is what it looks like in the box. So, oh cute. So here this looks like. So it's a gel. It's pretty full. So exfoliating. Okay, daily booster. I'm gonna have to read into that. Next I have, and they're pretty good, a lot of samples they give out with these boxes. Sea Berry hair mask. So this is a hair mask. Hair masks are usually pretty full. Yeah, I can see how full it is. So this is pretty full up to here. Next I have smoothing serum. So I like serum a lot. And that's what it looks like. Next I have moisturizing skin cream, original Japanese formula by UB. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna open this up. That's what it looks like. A very tiny little cream. So that's so cute. That is what I got in my first box. Super nice. Then I'm gonna gather these back up. So yeah, What do you guys get these? Do you think it's worth it? You get quite a bit of stuff in here, and this is with my first box. I like it. This one was a really good box. I'm going to show you my second box. This first box was really good. So here I go again with the second box. This one says, "Hello Gorgeous." And a really pretty purple, like, water ink. Look like flowers. Hello Gorgeous. Shop Amazon Luxury Beauty selection of premium sample beauty products. We thoughtfully created a collection of the best cosmetics, hair care, skincare, and fragrances to keep you looking and feeling luxurious. Amazon Luxury Box Beauty. Visit Amazon.com Luxury Box to learn about full-size versions of the sample featured in your luxury box. So, nice. I like these little cards. Really nice. So I'm going to dig in. And this is what the second box looks like. I think it's way better than Walmart. First we have this Viva La Juicy in Rose. So here's the full sample of the full size, and then here's the sample. It's a spray, and it's pretty full. So, yay! Here's Elizabeth Ardern white tea. And this is a spray also. And I'll show you how full this one is. This one is not that full, but full enough to try it a couple times. And these ones don't have like the snap cap on it, so that's okay. Next I have Silk Infusion for hair and skin. Directions: apply a small amount into palm and hand. Work evenly throughout the hair. Leave and proceed with styling. So you put this in your hair. It's a little cute sample, and it seems pretty full. Good. The seal. Oh, I see it. Yeah, it is full. Cool. Then I have the Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Ooh, a cleanser. So wet skin with lukewarm water. Pump cleanser into hands and massage into skin in a gentle, smooth, circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry without rubbing. This is good. So is this wet skin, lukewarm water, cleanser, the skin. So for normal to dry skin, I guess it's for skin, not for face, I guess. So this will be interesting. Next, I thought this was so cool. It's in that little plastic. This is H2O makeup removing so it's a makeup remover. And the little bottle, isn't that cute? It's like half half of the bottle. Thought that was so neat. Next I have Sea Berry hair mask. So I think I had this one in my other box, so now I have to make it like a full size probably. So awesome. And then I have another one of these. So I might give these to my mom to try out. This is moisturizing skin cream. I might use it if she don't want it. Because they're very little and I want to make sure I like it. So yeah, that would be good. Next is Bliss from our Spa to Your Skin Lemon Sage Body Butter Maximum Moisture Cream. That is a cute, simple little package. So I'm guessing it smells like lemons. Little lemon and probably lemon and mint or something. Because it has like a little feather like leaf like. Next I have a cream. I cannot pronounce that. So like a cream, probably for her face. So much. I do not care to read it. Next is Anti-Puff Eye Cream. I don't think there's much in here. That's what it looks like. Next I have Cisaplast. What is this? Smoothing Repairing Cream. So Smoothing Repairing Cream. Okay. And it looks like I have two of these little eye creams, probably for wrinkles. I'm gonna open one up. My mom probably wants one. She's like, oh, if you don't want to try some, I'll try some. I'm like, okay. I don't mind. Oh, and it comes with this. So this is what this looks like. And it looks like for an eye wrinkle cream. It comes like a tube like that. And it gives out like, I guess, instructions or something. Little paper to go with it. So this will be interesting to try. And I got two of them, so awesome. Next I have the Complexion Perfection Cleansing Complex. So this is what it looks like. That's the full size, and I got my little sample to try. So this is a cleansing, I guess, for your face. Awesome. Next I have step 1 and step 2. Don't try to eat your vitamins. See the difference. So this is a vitamin C. Smooth peel. Step 1, over the face, avoiding eye areas, and massage gently for up to 3 minutes. Mix the applicator activator. Step 2, in your hands, massage in your face over the peel. Okay. After 1 minute, rinse with warm water. Use weekly after you double cleanse. That's what it looks like. It's enough for one. So I can't really try some of these samples out. The last of these very little samples. Mineral 89. So I got the other better sample in that one. Booster Skin Exfoliating Daily Booster. That's what it looks like, but I got a better sample in the other one, so yeah. This is a collagen hydrator. So it comes in this little cute packaging. It's in the peel, so I can't see how much is actually in here, but this is really cute. That's what it is. So I guess the instructions is in here because there's nothing on the package. The next is a really good sample. Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder. This is a pretty good sample. So I really like that. And that was in box number 2. So yeah. Do you guys get these? Do you like what is in here? Are you gonna purchase these? I think this is a new box. If not, let me know. If it's been out in a while and I just now noticed. But I didn't know because I got this as a Hanukkah present. Because I like trying new things, and these seem expensive, so I like trying these brands out. So yeah, this is box number 2. The Amazon luxury box. These are really nice boxes to reuse. I do not throw away my boxes. I reuse them or stack them up. So, yep, that is what I got in those 2 boxes. I think I want to order a couple more. These are exciting to unbox and see what I got. So, yeah, please subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is a longer video. But, yeah, if you like these boxes, are you going to get these boxes? Tell me in the link below, or the comments below. Thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe and like. And right now I'm doing a giveaway. It ends January 3rd. Bye now.